How to screen record on Snapchat without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can screen record on Snapchat without them knowing. Now the process is quite simple. What you can do is you can head into Play Store and you can search in for screen recording app and you can download any one of screen recording apps here. Now I'll recommend you to download this screen recorder or X recorder here by InShot. This one is better. However, if you want you can download any other ones. Now in my case I already have the default screen recording app on my phone, so all I need to do is I need to scroll down my notification bar and you can see the screen recording there. Now I'm already turning on screen recording for this video. I'll show you if it notifies the user or not. Simply open up Snapchat once you start up your recording and you want to head into the chat option there. And on the chat option, if I open up any chat here, you can see they are not being sent any notification that I'm currently recording the chat. Even if you open up the chat and start screen recording, they won't be shown the notifications depending on the kind of screen recording app that you're using. So this way you can screen record on Snapchat without them knowing. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.